I currently have the Apple wired keyboard that came standard with my iMac. In fact, it's right here. You know, it works well, but I need more flexibility. Something that I can carry across the room. And during videos, it gets distracting. So I want something that I can easily move under. I just got back from the Apple store with my purchase of an Apple wireless keyboard right here. So the box is pretty thin. It just says wireless keyboard and has a picture of the front. So let's open it. Just a plastic cover. Alright, so you just open it like that, and wow, that's all the packaging is, just the keyboard. So here's the keyboard. Set that aside for a moment. Anything else in the box is just a manual to a wireless keyboard. And that's all that comes in the packaging. So very little packaging. Nice box. So another box I will be keeping. I like to collect Apple boxes to show off all the Apple products I currently have. Alright, so let's pull off the front, and that's it. And the battery cover is actually this end. You just unlock it and the batteries come out. I recommend doing unless you have to. The power button, click it, turns on, and that's about it. So there's the Apple wireless keyboard 2010 edition, early 2010 edition for you today. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/itsthemacaddict. Geeks.augsleepart.com, my tech blog. My email address, I love answering questions. Submit at augsleepart.com. I'll blog you later.